Hello friends. So today, as in morning, I have said that uh, we'll try to make a video that how to trade Bank Nifty this week, the levels to watch in this and stop loss, what type of chart pattern it could form in coming week. So let's start. We'll start it with a daily charts. This is a total period of 1 year charts and the range is daily closing price. Okay. So as you can see, uh, there is a support in Nifty. Two, three supports are there small. This is the one. This is another. So today, Friday, Nifty closed around this support level. Sorry. Right. So that support level was 17,250 and we closed around 17,280. So 30 points is not the big game in Bank Nifty. It's the monster. So the first support around for Bank Nifty is around 17,250 on closing, where it closed 17,280. This is a 30-point difference. And another support of Bank Nifty is on closing basis. The major support is around 16,918. But as a Bank Nifty is the big, you can say monster or an big animal. So 50 and 100 points is just a not big deal in it. So on daily charts, the major support comes around 16,920. But in intraday, the low of that day was 16,780. As you can see on the top side, the low is 16,791, and the next day itself, the low was 16,116. So on closing basis, the next support is 16,900. But on intraday, if in intraday it trades below the level of 16,790 or say 16,750 for at least an half an hour, please exit your longs because it may fall down till 16,100. Let's see on half hourly or hourly charts. As you can see, here is that level 16,116. So on half hourly charts, this is one of the good resistance level. Sorry, support level. This level comes around 17,200 on closing basis. All right. The next support comes around 16,976. Sorry, 16,754. So anytime if trades below 16,750 for at least half an hour, exit your longs. It should fall down till 16,100, and 16,100 or say 16,000 is the biggest support right now for Bank Nifty. So on daily charts, yes, you can take a long trade tomorrow if opens positive and remains positive for at least till 10 a.m. Okay, so this is 30-minute charts, and that's why I said at least for 30 minutes it should not trade below 16,750 for any long trade. Next, we will see it on weekly charts. So we will understand the movement or the way it should move in next week. So as you can see, it clearly indicates a double bottom formation. This is just our the charts prediction. because we can't predict market. We don't know how markets will react for any news in coming week, or you can say the already running pandemic. So it's just our you say a prediction, or we can say with a small stop loss we can take a trade for good targets. All right, so you can see here it can form double bottom. So let's see the levels and the stop losses. Okay, so stop loss, ultimate stop loss will be 16,750 in intraday. For it should trade at least half an hour below that level for any long trade. All right, so as you can see 17,250 again here, the weekly charts 17,250 is a very good support level on closing on weekly charts. So, and we have closed around 17,279. So it's only just a point matter of 30 points, but 30 points is nothing for Bank Nifty. So we can say just we can trade long here with a small stop loss of 300 to 400 points for at least 2,000 points. At least we should move towards 19,000. The first resistance comes around this level, and the level is 19,586. So with stop loss of 500 points, we can take 2,000 points trade, 1:4 ratio. But okay, if you can book it around, it's okay. If you can book it around, or if you book around 1,500 points, 1:3 or 1:2, because it's Bank Nifty, and the moment in it can move 2,000 points in single day. So I would say if you get 1:2 or 1:3, it's a very good risk reward ratio for Bank Nifty. This is weekly charts, and all right, we will not see say uh, previous 2015 or 16 levels, because at recently it is giving a good support, and if this support doesn't break on weekly charts, yes, we can see next week. This is Monday. Next week, the next series, we can see at least a 19,000 target. This is weekly charts. So let's see monthly. On weekly, it's forming double bottom. All right. On monthly, as you can see, it is trading right now around 17,280. Let's see. This is the level, right? It took support around here. Let me show you. Right. This is the level on monthly. Good support. Level of 17,150 around. So our next resistance level for this should be first resistance level. This one. It comes around 18,200. This is 1 point, and again here 18,200. This is another point. One more small point is there. This one. So we have three small points of resistance level here, which comes around 18,200. So our first target should be 18,200 next week, with a stop loss of 16,750. All right. Then, as our target, as it's forming double bottom on weekly chart, it should go till 19,200 or 300 next week minimum, and this is the level of 19,144. So if Nifty next week closes around 19,200, 19,150, any close above 19,144 or 150, I would say that Bank Nifty could form on monthly charts a double bottom. If suppose we gave close around here 19,200, so So it's just a prediction because overall market and overall pandemic situation is not good. But every fall, everyone all over the world is bearish on market. Even I'm little bearish, but Bank Nifty is right now is just suggesting a little bit positive movement till 19,000. Yes, it may happen that it can fall furthermore. There is no doubt in that. But a small chance of positiveness in next week is due here. So 19,200 ultimate target for next week with the stop loss of 16,750, right? But 16,750 we need an half hourly or an hourly close below that level, then only we will say that 16,100 and 16,000 is coming. Matlab 600 points movement should be there once it broke 16,750 in on half an hour charts. All right. So till then, you can say Bank Nifty is positive. Uh, Weekly charts are showing much better positive movement side for say Bank Nifty. So and next week is the last week of month, and if that trade close around 19,200, so next month we should start from small positiveness, but then ultimately it all depends on the pandemic and everything globally. So for next week, this is the view of Bank Nifty. Hope you like it. If any query, you can definitely ask me on Twitter or on this YouTube platform. Or if I'm getting wrong anywhere, you can definitely tell me. There is नो प्रॉब्लम, बिना झिझक के बिल्कुल कह सकते हो। उसमें एक स्मॉल एडिशन मैं करना चाहूँगा RSI का भी, जैसे आप देख सकते हो, you can see RSI. When RSI could form a double bottom on monthly here. It from 2007 it has never touched the level, or it has never gone below the level of 30 on RSI 14. So this is good chance for 1500 to 200 points movement. We can catch it, but stop loss should be there. Without stop loss, please don't trade. All right. Thank you guys. And if you like my video and if you like my say पढ़ाना तो आता नहीं है, बट अगर ऐसा आपको लगता है कि चलो ठीक ठाक पढ़ा लेता है बंदा, तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड डू शेयर माय वीडियोस जहाँ भी कर सको। थैंक यू सो मच।